I'm Debra Lee Baldwin, and I'm in my office looking at my windowsill pots from the video I made a few months ago. And interestingly enough, these are much drier in the wintertime than they are in the summer. They're real close to a heater vent that blows right on them. If you pick one up, you can just see how lightweight they are. My favorite thing about watering very dry succulents is what I call the sizzle. Listen, you can hear, well, maybe you can't. The soil releases air and it sizzles. Let's see if this one will do it. You can hear my office chair creaking. Well, it looks like you and I both learned something. It's not the soil, it's the top dressing that releases air when it's displaced by water, and that creates the sizzling that you hear when you water a bone-dry succulent. I have put the pots on paper towel to catch the drips, and I'm also watering with rainwater that I harvested. So my indoor plants can benefit from the rain just like my outdoor ones. I'm Debra Lee Baldwin in my office, and this is how I procrastinate.